There's a simple guy here in Alaska wanting to just get out, do regular outdoor stuff. I try to capture as much as I can and share with you guys. 不多啥。So if you guys know this trail that I'm on, this area here has private property. Stay on trail. It will be good. Hello. Cho nó cũng bỏ mica đây. Đùa. Chỉ cho các thằng mà tiền ước tuần. Trái của chợ cho tôi gì đó chị à. Nếu bỏ tay cho kiện nó gì mới gì thì tiền. Có chuyện gì à? Gì mua cơ. Papa. Papa. So I've been thinking, của bé bên cái mà đi thì nó khá là不好多。là tay chơi trong nhúa này đó. Còn nữa. Yeah. So we're not up at the peak yet, but it was a good hike, a good little nice hike. It wasn't that long.
It's gonna be a long hike back right here.
저 거는 이제 저는 살인 차스 다시 진짜 그래서 내가 안 들어와 진짜 안 빼지 내가 뭐 공nhà有nhiều cô This is the fun that you get when it's time to get off the main trail. This path that we took goes up to Rainbow Peak. So we are on our way back. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. If you haven't liked and subscribed, appreciate it if you hit that button and give me a thumbs up. Appreciate it too if you will subscribe. And so to share with you guys, my goal of this channel is to just share some of the things that we Alaskans get to enjoy. I know we've got many great states, but this is one of the best. And if you guys ever get a chance to come up here, I hope to be able to give you guys a few things to do. To be honest, there's many things that we are able to do here, and I don't even know much. There's a lot of other Alaskan channels that is out here that takes you guys out to a lot more remote or a lot more things to do. But I just want to share with you guys some of my adventures. It takes a lot of time and effort to try to capture everything, so you know, I will try my best to do what I can with the limited resource I have. But thank you guys for joining. Until next time, we will see you guys. Là chỉ nhon đã tu chữ Giêsu. Whoa. Cái bịch nó phở.